Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Keisha, and Keisha is here today for a second procedure. First procedure, which we will show before pictures, we went ahead and drew out the hairline, and we just started from the front, packing it in. And as you see, now she's got a hairline that she can work with. She came in with braids actually. And also what I wanted to show was the suture line. So you're going to see a little bit about Keisha. First of all, Keisha, how has your year been from beginning to end?
It's been eventful. Starting off, I didn't know what was going to happen, and as the months came, my hair started growing in little by little, and then at my year mark, it was full. My sides, I was in love with my sides. My sides was very full. I just wanted to get more hair at the top. So I gave Dr. Siegel a call, and he said, sure, come back. So I'm very excited. I didn't notice any of the suture line or anything like that. My hair grew in perfectly fine. So I'm really excited, and I'm glad I came back for round 2.
Nope, we're excited that you're here. No doubt in my mind we are going to reinforce, take her from 30-35%, which is what you see here, to about 70-75%, and hopefully even more. But ultimately our goal is just to fine tune everything. And again, you'll see pictures of her suture line. What do your friends say about the procedure?
They can't believe it. They actually would want to do it. I told them the only thing was the needles in the beginning. But after that, yes, the surgery is very quick. I didn't notice that, how long I was here. I felt like I was here maybe an hour or two. It didn't take that long, and everything was fine. I was able to camouflage my look with COVID being at home and things of that nature, so I didn't have a problem with just letting my hair grow.
And again, I also went ahead and separated her hairline so that I could show you exactly what a typical scar here at Natural Transplants looks like. This is her scar line right through here. It is literally the size of a pencil tip, if that. So again, Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. If you are looking to have your edges looked at, please give us a call. We're always available. And Keisha, thank you so much for coming back. And we will check up with you again over the year and make sure we now take this from that 35% to about 70, 75, 80%.
Thanks. Sounds good.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.